You look good over crooked?
Maybe.
I mean, that's totally different. No, can't nobody fix us being crooked, son.
No.
All right, here we are, man. We are headed back to the house from the cabin on the weekend, and Jersey and I have been talking turkey because we're just amped up about it. It's that time of the year for us, and it's cold, like I said, so we're just doing prep and getting out of the house. So he's been working with his mouth guard, and we were watching videos yesterday about the pros. I've been, using a mouth call, slate, pot, peg, and box, all of it. I enjoy all of it. I like a mouth call because at least your hands are on your gun. You're trying to close a bird in sometimes, so you don't have to worry about, sometimes I'll pull my box out and it'll squawk as a box, and I have to keep a rubber band on it. It's a smart thing to do. But I was listening to him, and he's been working on it, and I like to teach people what I know. Sometimes make it easier. I had a fella junior of ours, friends, a fella we work with, and he could always whistle like that.
I can.
And then you can cup your tongue and press it up real tight, control it between any gap that you have, unless you big gap tooth. I mean,
I got one up in the front. That's the problem.
We'll help you with that. It's a little easier for a diaphragm. So I'm going to show just a couple of things that I do. And this is a Nightingale. It's a V cutter. I've had them. I buy them when I go to the Turkey Federation show, which is coming up. And we're very excited because we didn't have it because of the covert. It's been around, and we're glad they're coming. I'll be here, 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
We're ready. We're excited. So once again, I'm just going to try to get this thing warmed up a little bit, and he's going to make him use his. What do you have, an HS strut? I think that's a strut.
It's a strut.
You done dropped it.
Gone forever.
Did you drop it down inside the car?
I did.
You're good with that. I got extras right here. And that's a V-cut strutter, so you might like that one a little bit better. Not a straight cut, I'm sorry, it's just a straight line. So that'll be what you work with. Now, red it up to the top. Guys, if you ever going to start blowing with a diaphragm, the longer part of the rubber is normally towards the tongue. So this has a turkey logo on it, and I know it goes up. Now this one's about wore out because the rubber dries, and I try to keep it in a case, but they just blow out. You blow your diaphragm out. I guess some of y'all know what that's like. All right. Cotton mouth here, hold on.
Yeah, I know, that cough dried me out.
Alright, now that's that purr we talked about. Now you pop, you're still trying to go, and you gotta enunciate it.
Yeah.
Pop! Pop! Okay, but while holding that diaphragm with your tongue, with that curve in your tongue. Close, tight lip, everything, and you just force that T out the corner of your mouth, keeping that tongue. You got to just keep that diaphragm up in there to get that air through your throat over that tongue hole. Oh, that's a squeaky. There you go. Now you're going with your tongue again. You got to use your lips. So I can hear it when you use your tongue as opposed to the lips. So, I know it's hard, but it's pie. Okay, so watch. That's by rolling the air through your throat over to you, opening and closing your mouth, because you hear it sounds like she's moving around a little bit. You sound like a baby alligator right there. I don't know if you ever heard baby alligator. That was you right there. They get that little, I'm a baby kid choking. You still got to put that pop in your lips. Say popcorn. Hold it up in there and go. Try to say popcorn. Say popcorn. All right. Work on that one. This is the second one we're going to work on for a little bit, all right? And that's that perk. Okay, so you got to roll your tongue. I know you can roll your tongue, right? Mm-hmm. All right, so keep your mouth up in there. Just roll your tongue. that do like that. Like you shoot a gun.
Yeah.
Okay, now do that. Put that in there, and you got to do that. Okay. Then you can try, if you hold your tongue and you're getting your diaphragm, the air across it, you can. That's my tongue and my lips. So you heard the difference. Tongue, lips, together. Okay? So you'll have to practice that with it.
Yeah. I can't
when
even
you do
get
your
the
lips with that, your lips are going to curl out, you know. That's when you can't duck lip. And you, with that diaphragm in there, and then your pop. That's all right. You can get there. I got full faith in you. So that's all we're going to mess with right now. I have been working on this. He's been working on it since last year.
Well, like the last couple months, I haven't picked one up.
Well, it's getting on that time.
And it's, I need to.
But that's it. That's a little what I can show. If you learn to really just do that pop, and then we'll work. That's a good little club pop. That's what you're trying to do. That's it. That's it. You practice makes perfect, y'all. Oh, he may get shot. Sound a little bit like a bird in there. Keep up with us for some more of it. We're going to put a lot together for you folks this year. Turkey season is one of our favorite times, and I'm glad to be sharing it with this guy this year. New guy again. He got his first one last year. This year we're going to try to get him. Maybe it's limited. I think it's 3 for us this year.
Tagged out.
Tag it out. We're going to tag him out this year. So keep up with us. Suburban Hunt 365
Live.
Turkey Talk. Live Turkey Talk. Keep up with us also. Make it to the National Turkey Federation shows. What we're going to try to do. Let everybody know about what we see, what we're doing, and growing, and spread the love and spread the name. Lines tight, bullets right. Woo! Big Jersey Dave. You know who I am. Keep it real. Out.